Hey guys, this is Tad from Twitter, and we're today here at Pinewood Studio in Budapest, where we just finished 3 songs, 3 drum throughs for 3 songs of our latest album, Hail. And I just wanted to show you the kit I'm currently using. So these are my Istanbul Cymbals. I'm using the Zist and Zist Iron series, and I have one Dark Turk 16-inch China over there, another China over there, but mostly it's the Istanbul Zist series, and I'm really comfortable with them. They sound amazing, mostly hand hammered, and I was absolutely astonished when I was during summer in Istanbul at the factory. So it's unbelievable what the guys do there, and I'm very happy that they're endorsing me. What else? I have a beautiful Angel drums snare. It's an Ovankol, I think that's the name of the wood. So Ovankol from the Bubinga family. It's only 4.75 inches deep, but believe me, this sound is awesome, amazing. And they are made here in Hungary, actually in Eastern Hungary. So thank you very much, Angel Drums. And of course, my beloved pedals, the ACD Unlimited, the Darwin pedals, the king of the pedals we have here. I'm really happy that I was able to get myself one of these babies. Unbelievable craftsmanship. Thank you, Dennis from ACD Unlimited. It's worth every penny, believe me. The drum is an acrylic drum set from the 70s. It's a Ludwig in quite rare, I don't know what exactly the red is called. Well, it's a rare Ludwig red acrylic. 12, 13, 16 and 22 inches. The kick drum is 16 inches deep. Okay guys, this is what I wanted to show you. I look forward to show you the videos in a couple of weeks. Tomorrow we'll be out on tour, the last tour of this year, and hope to see you on the road. Bye.